Common injuries from falling down stairs. Staircase accidents are an unfortunate but prevalent concern in bustling urban areas like New York City. Each year, stairway accidents comprise nearly a third of all fall-related injuries in the country and, while all age groups are equally vulnerable, young children and the elderly have a higher risk of serious injury. The consequences of such accidents can be both physically and emotionally devastating. Victims often endure severe injuries that can have lasting repercussions, affecting their quality of life, financial stability, and emotional well-being. Stair safety is not merely a matter of convenience, it is a legal imperative. New York law holds property owners and managers responsible for maintaining safe premises, including stairways. If you or someone you know has already been affected by a stairway accident in New York, it's imperative to be aware of your legal rights and seek justice. Causes of stairway accidents. Several factors can contribute to stairway accidents in New York City. Property owners and managers have a responsibility to maintain safe conditions, and failure to do so can result in serious consequences, including legal liability. Some common causes of stairway accidents in New York include the following. Negligence in stair maintenance. In New York, property owners are legally required to maintain their premises, including stairways, in a safe and well-maintained condition. Lack of proper lighting. Adequate lighting is crucial for stair safety, especially in dimly lit areas. Insufficient lighting can be considered a contributing factor to stairway accidents. Slippery surfaces. New York experiences various weather conditions throughout the year, which can lead to wet and slippery stair surfaces. Improperly constructed stairs. New York law requires that the steps of a staircase be of equal height and depth. Faulty handrails. Handrails are essential for stability while using stairs, and they are required by law in New York. Types of injuries from stair falls. In New York, stair falls can lead to a wide range of injuries, some of which can have severe and long-lasting consequences. Understanding the types of injuries that commonly result from stair falls is essential, both for victims seeking legal recourse and for property owners looking to prevent accidents. Below are the common injuries associated with stair falls. Head and brain injuries. Stair falls often result in head injuries, ranging from minor concussions to severe traumatic brain injuries, TBI. New York law recognizes the potential seriousness of head injuries and provides avenues for legal action to compensate victims. Concussions. Traumatic brain injuries, TBI. Spinal cord injuries. Stair falls can result in spinal cord injuries, which may include fractured vertebrae and herniated discs. These injuries can lead to partial or complete paralysis, with substantial implications for the victim's quality of life. Fractured vertebrae. Herniated discs. Broken bones and fractures. Stair falls often result in broken bones and fractures, with limb fractures and hip fractures being particularly common. Victims have the right to pursue compensation for medical expenses and other damages. Limb fractures. Hip fractures. Soft tissue injuries. Stair falls can also cause soft tissue injuries, including sprains, strains, contusions, and hematomas. While these injuries may not always be immediately visible, they can lead to significant pain and suffering. Internal injuries. In some cases, stair falls can result in internal injuries, such as organ damage and internal bleeding. These injuries may require surgery and intensive medical treatment. Long-term consequences and complications. Stair falls can have lasting and profound effects on victims, and New York law acknowledges the importance of addressing these long-term consequences. Here are some of the primary long-term consequences and complications that individuals may experience after a stair fall injury. Chronic pain and disability. Many stair fall victims in New York experience chronic pain as a result of their injuries. Psychological trauma. Stair falls can be traumatic events, leading to psychological distress such as post-traumatic stress disorder, PTSD, anxiety, and depression. Impact on daily life. The injuries and long-term consequences of a stair fall can significantly impact a victim's daily life. Seeking legal recourse in stair fall cases. When someone experiences a stair fall in New York due to negligence or unsafe conditions, they have the right to seek legal recourse. To seek fair compensation after a stair fall accident, it is crucial to understand how New York laws factor in and get experienced legal assistance and advocacy. Premises liability laws. Premises liability is a crucial legal framework that factors significantly into stairway injuries in New York. Property owners and managers have a legal duty of care to ensure that their premises, including staircases, are safe for visitors and occupants. This duty extends to regular maintenance, repair of hazardous conditions, and addressing safety concerns promptly. In New York, there are specific requirements and regulations in place to ensure that stairways are maintained safely. These regulations are designed to protect the safety of residents, visitors, and workers in various premises, including residential buildings, commercial properties, and public spaces. The requirements for maintaining safe stairways in New York generally fall under building codes, local ordinances, and safety standards. Here are some key aspects of these requirements. Building codes. Regular maintenance. Handrails and guardrails. Adequate lighting. Non-slip surfaces. Accessibility. Emergency exits. Gathering evidence. Collecting evidence is a critical step in building a strong case. Working with an experienced attorney. Stair fall injury in New York can be complex, and having an experienced attorney is invaluable. Types of compensation for stair fall injuries. Victims of stair fall injuries in New York may be eligible for various forms of compensation to help alleviate the physical, emotional, and financial burdens they face. New York laws recognize the rights of victims to seek compensation for the following aspects of their injuries. Medical expenses. Under New York law, victims of stair falls can seek compensation for all reasonable and necessary medical expenses related to their injuries. Lost wages and income. Stair fall injuries can often result in temporary or permanent disability, preventing victims from working and earning a living. Pain and suffering. New York recognizes that stair fall victims endure physical pain and emotional suffering as a result of their injuries. Rehabilitation costs. Many stair fall injuries require ongoing rehabilitation and therapy to achieve the best possible recovery. Future damages. In cases where stair fall injuries result in long-term or permanent disabilities, New York laws consider the future damages victims may face. Call us today at 929-274-8000 to schedule a consultation.